Hello children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Today let's continue with our rational numbers, exercise 1A and third question, evaluate. Here they have given us some rational numbers. So some rational numbers have negative numbers here, this and this part. These two rational number have a negative sign in front of them. So this minus should be multiplied with this plus. Plus into minus becomes minus. Even here plus into minus becomes minus. Here you cannot divide 3 with 8 or else 5 with 12, 3 with 7, but here you can make a division. Just divide it so that it will reduce, the number size will reduce. So it will be easy for you, right? 3 ones are 3 fours are is 12, isn't it children? Yes. Now our next step is to multiply this negative and write it as minus 5 by 12. So 3 by 8 you can write down as it is. Plus into minus becomes minus 5 by 12 plus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 4 and again plus into minus becomes minus 5 by 8. Actually, I'm using a new software, children. Just in a comment section, tell me whether the previous videos was clear or this one is clear. Plus into minus is minus and 2 by 7. Even here you have minus integer, children. Even here you have minus rational number. Sorry, not integer, it is rational number. So even here I have done the multiplication of the signs. Plus into minus becomes minus, right? Now we have to take the LCM of the denominator. Here what all are the denominators? You have some repeated numbers, isn't it children? 8 and 7 are repeated, so while doing LCM you can just take it only once, no need to take it twice. Isn't it clear children? So take this 8 and 7 only once, that is just write down all the denominators numbers, that is 8, 12, 7 and 4, and just leave off last two numbers because it is repeating. Now start always for LCM, always start dividing with the least number, that is 2 4s are 8, 2 6 is 12, 2 7 you can write down as it is because it is not divisible with 2, 2 2s is 4, and again start dividing with 2, 2 2s is 4, 2 3s is 6, 7 you have to write it down as it is because it is not divisible with 2, and 2 1s is 2. Now again divided with 2. So 2 1s is 2, 3 you can write down as it is, and 7 you can write down as it is, and 1 just write down as it is. Now this 3 and 7 is divisible. Just a second, children, let me take my laser pen. This 3 and 7 is divisible only with 3 and 7. So you can just write down directly, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. It is further not divisible, right? It is directly divisible with only 7 and 3. So anyhow, even if you divide, you will get 3 and 7. That's why I'm doing it directly. So when you multiply all this, you will get 168. Right, children? 168. Now we have to make the denominator as 168. So I'm just putting a line and writing the denominator as 168. Here, for making this 8 into 168, we have to change this 8 into 168. I'm going to multiply with 21. Since we are multiplying with 21, even the same number should be multiplied with the numerator 2. 21. For making this 12 into 168, you have to multiply it with 4. 12 14 is 168. Right, children? So, into 14. Then this 7 should be multiplied with 24 to make it 168. 24. It's two children. Actually, it is a bit difficult for me to write. 3 into 24. Just don't forget to tell me which was easy for you, whether this method or the previous method which I was teaching. 4 into 42 will become 168. So just multiply it with 42. Now again this 8 should be multiplied with 21 to make it 168 into 21. And similarly 7 should be multiplied with 24. It's multiplication sign, children, don't think it's plus. Again the same, the numerator should be multiplied with 24. Now when you multiply this numerator, that is 3 into 21, 5 into 24, and what you get is 3 into 21 will be 63 minus 70 plus 72 72 plus 42. 42 ones is 42, and then minus 21 fives is 105, and again just put a minus sign. 24 twos is 48. Right, children? I have just multiplied with those numbers, children. Nothing more I have done. Now add, here it is plus sign, children. It's plus 24 42. Now add up all the plus signs together. That is 63 plus 72 plus 42. If you add all these three numbers, you will get 177. 177, and here remaining numbers are minus 70, minus 105, and minus 48. Right? So all three are having minus sign. So just put a minus sign and add all those three. So you will get 223 divided by 168. Now one is having positive sign, other is having negative sign. That is plus 177 and minus 223. When one is having positive and other is having negative, just put the bigger number sign. That is put the minus sign and subtract it. You will get 46. 46 divided by 168. Here you can do the division with two table. So 2 twos are, 2 threes are, 2 eights are, 2 fours are is 8. Isn't it, children? It's 4, children. So our answer will be minus 23 by 84 is the answer. I hope you got it. And if you have any doubts, you can just ask me in the comment section, children. After looking at this video, don't just